Well, good morning. Amaryllis man reporting for duty. I have a nice exotic star forest bulb here, and as you can see, it has developed an offset. I wanted to remove that before this bulb is planted, so we got a second one growing. As you can see, I'm cutting it loose, trying to get some of the basal plate of the mother bulb along with it, and if possible, some roots. Well, I didn't get much of a root, and many times you won't get much of a root. So what you do in that situation is, before you plant your offset, set it in a little container of water. See how this one has no offset, no roots, no roots. And so I'm putting just the basal plate of this offset in water and getting it then to sprout roots before it's planted. It'll take 12-15 days, sometimes even 3 weeks before the roots will appear, but it's nice to have those roots before you plant the offset. If you fail to do that, that offset will sit there for months before it ever produces roots. So when you do get a root with removing an offset from the mother bulb, before you plant it, soak it in water for a couple of 3 hours. Just the basal plate and the root in the water, you can manage that, and let it soak for a couple of hours, and then you can plant it. I'll put this one in. It needs some more moisture on that root before it's planted. So that it will be helpful to get a second bulb started, and you'll end up with a nice healthy exotic star bulb on down through the years with good care. So come see us on our eBay store. We carry exotic star and about 60 other hybrids. Maybe we're one of the largest producers, suppliers of Amaryllis bulbs in terms of the number of varieties that we offer. Well, God bless you. Have a wonderful day. I'll report for duty again. Thank you. Bye-bye.